Hi everyone, this is Shahzad and you're watching Shahzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix verification failed. This Apple ID is not active. So in this video, I will tell you how to fix it. There is many method to solve this issue. So go back, and first method is to update your iOS. So just simply tap on settings, scroll to the down, and here you can see general. Tap on it. Here you can see software update. Wait for a few seconds. If you have any pending update, just simply download and install it to fix your problem and go back. If this solution is not working, then we move to another. Another is just simply go to settings, general. Here you can see language and region. Just simply tap on it, and here from you can select your region and language and fix your problem. So if this solution is also not working, then we move to another. Another is go to settings, go to general, and go to VPN and device management. If you have connected with VPN and device management, you can disconnect it and fix your problem. So go back, and if the solution is also not working, then we move to another is force restart your device. So for force restarting, first you can press the volume up button, then volume down button, and press and hold the power button until you see Apple logo is appear, and then release the power button to restart your device and fix your problem. If this solution is also not working, then we move to another is go to the Safari. Here you can select I forgot Apple ID. So just simply search it, and here you can see iPhone I forgot Apple. So tap on it. Here you can see reset password. Enter your email address or phone number that you use with your account to continue. Here you can dial or enter your email or phone number to that associated with your Apple ID and reset your password to fix this problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.